Hey everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great and learning this language great way. So today my question is, can a person improve his communication skills, his English, by listening music? Is it possible or not? Yeah. And along with this I will also let you know how I become fluent in English, how I became this much confidence in speaking English. Yeah. So stay tuned with me for a couple of minutes and I will clear this doubt completely. Yes. So at first I want to let you know I have not improved English by listening any kind of music. Yeah. But and now talking about, can you improve English? Yes, you can improve English by listening music to some extent. Yes, I'm not telling you you can improve 100% your language. It is not possible because in music what happens, the main goal is of a singer, he try to, what I can say, copy the tone, he try to balance the tune, he try to balance the pace, and sometimes what happens, they ignore the grammar, they ignore the pattern of language. Yeah. So you cannot learn English properly or any particular language in which you want to become very good at. Yeah. So to some extent, you can improve basic communication, basic spoken, what I can say sentence, but it is not possible. You will improve 100%. No, it is utterly impossible. And now I will give you the advice. I am highly recommending you don't try to improve your language by listening music. Yes, it is better if you attempt to enhance your skills by podcast, by movies. In my eyes, the best way, the great way to improve any your language is to watch movies. Yes, because I have learned this language very much by movies and by podcast. Yeah, and the most important thing is language. In language, you have to remain consistent. If you break your consistency over and over again, yes, you will take very much time to become fluent in English. Yes, any language. Yes, I'm not talking about only in English. Yeah. So this was my message. It was my very short message for you. And if you have any doubt and didn't catch my point, you can leave a comment description and I will try to resolve your doubt.